In this video, I'll show you how to connect ClickFunnels to GetResponse, and I'll also break down what you need to know to make the integration work smoothly. Stick around till the end, because I'll share an exclusive offer plus a better alternative for your needs. First off, why would you need to connect ClickFunnels to GetResponse? Well, ClickFunnels helps you build high-converting sales funnels, while GetResponse focuses on email marketing automation. Integrating these tools means you can capture leads from your funnels and instantly start nurturing them with targeted email campaigns. Sounds like a game changer, right? But here's the catch. The integration process isn't always as seamless as it should be. Next thing you want to do is head to your ClickFunnels account. In your dashboard, you're going to click on the Account Settings tab, then look for the Integration section. Here, you'll find a list of all the tools you can link with ClickFunnels. If GetResponse isn't already listed, you'll need to connect it manually. The third thing to do is grab your GetResponse API key. Log into GetResponse and head over to the Account Settings section. From there, find the API tab. Click on it, then generate your API key. Copy it. This is important because without the key, your integration won't work. Next thing, go back to ClickFunnels and paste that API key into the appropriate field under your Integration section. Once that's done, ClickFunnels will ask for confirmation. When you confirm, it'll establish the link between the two platforms. The fifth thing is to test the integration. It's crucial to ensure that when you get leads in ClickFunnels, they're automatically added to your GetResponse lists. Create a simple funnel, add an opt-in form, and test it by submitting your email address. Then, check if your email is appearing in GetResponse. If it is, congratulations, the integration is working. Now, GetResponse has its strengths, especially for email marketing, but here's the thing. Its automation features aren't always as flexible as some other platforms out there. The design and segmentation options can feel a bit limited, especially when you're dealing with complex campaigns. And while ClickFunnels does a great job at funnel building, the cost can pile up fast, especially when you add other integrations. So, let's talk about a better alternative. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution that integrates email marketing and funnel building more seamlessly, you might want to check out Alternative Software. It offers a more flexible automation setup, better design options, and a smoother integration experience. Plus, it's more cost-effective in the long run. Before we wrap up, here's the deal. I've got an exclusive offer for you. If you use the link in the description, you'll get access to a special extended free trial of Alternative Software, and the best part? It's only available to our viewers. Not just that, you'll get access to unique benefits that aren't available anywhere else. So, if you're serious about scaling your online business with better funnel building and email automation, click the link below and check it out.